Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management company in Salt Lake City, Utah. Renovating a rental property can feel like a guessing game, but in Utah's fast-paced housing market, strategy matters more than ever. The right updates can boost your rental income, lower maintenance costs, and attract top-tier tenants. So which renovations actually pay off? Renters value clean, functional spaces where they can cook, gather, and feel at home. Simple upgrades like quartz countertops, modern backsplashes, and energy-efficient appliances can dramatically boost appeal and reduce vacancies. A dated bathroom can turn tenants away fast. Upgrading vanities, lighting, and fixtures helps your property feel refreshed. Utah's weather can be rough on carpet. Luxury vinyl plank or laminate flooring offers a cleaner, longer-lasting solution that's easy to maintain and ideal for pet owners, families, or college renters. With Utah's hot summers and snowy winters, energy-efficient upgrades are a win-win. New double-pane windows and better insulation reduce utility costs for tenants and make your property more marketable to energy-conscious renters. Tech-savvy tenants appreciate smart thermostats, keyless entry, and video doorbells. These modern touches not only add security and convenience, but help your property stand out. A fresh coat of neutral paint is one of the simplest, most cost-effective ways to make your property feel new again. In a state that loves the outdoors, a private patio or clean yard can give your property a major advantage. At Wolf Nest, we help you make smart, data-driven renovation choices that elevate your property's performance. Whether you're renovating between tenants or building a long-term investment strategy, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Contact Wolf Nest, your expert partner in Utah property management.